Hello. So today I'm here in the port, in one of the ports of Marbella, and well, the idea is to make a video about one lens, and it's a lens that every time I found between my archives one image taken with this lens always impressed me for the quality and the sharpness and the perfection. The lens, as you probably know for the title of this video, is the Leica Summicron 50mm. And I was the happy owner of one of these lenses that I sell because it was the chrome version, and for me it was a little bit too heavy. And well, I changed it for a Leica Mate, and I'm very happy because it's a new camera, perfect condition. But I want to make this video and show some of the images that I take with that lens, random images, most of them, but all with one common thing, and is the quality of the lens. What a lens. Only with the time and slowly understanding the personal side of each lens, I started to appreciate a lot this Summicron. I don't know if I'm gonna buy another. By now I have to say that I'm very happy with the Sonar, with the Elmarit, with the Voigtlander. But if one day one Summicron 50 crossed my path for a good price and in good condition, black version, because of its lightness, I think I don't gonna be able to say no. So, what more to say about the lens that is one of the most famous in the world? I think nothing. Just share my understanding of this well deserved position between the most famous lenses that exist, and yeah, that now, after sell it, now that I don't have it, I really understand why this lens is one of the most famous and appreciated by photographers. But that's how it is. Sometimes you need to lose something to really understand what this something means. And it's a nice path. It's the path of life. Not only happen with lenses, happen with everything. And I'm not sad or I really don't miss anything now. I think I have all I need in my equipment, but yes, I appreciate every time I see one of these images taken with the Summicron, because it's perfect. And doesn't matter f2, f8. It's impressive how it handles the light, how it's capable to take images against the sun, how good this lens is. Today is a cold day for what usually is this place that is quite warm, quite pleasant all the year. Today is the first day after a week of rain. Still a little bit cold, chilly, pleasant. So I'm gonna say goodbye. I hope you're okay and that you enjoy this video and this nice sunset here in Marbella, in the south of Spain. Until the next one, take care, all the best, goodbye.